feeling like a king. What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Inside we have a R34 Skyline. So that's the gold car from that was oatmeal from this morning. It just cocked it up. Sorry about that, guys. We got the R34 Skyline inside. We are going to be doing a full wrap on it. Like I said, it is a goal car for a lot of you guys as well as myself. So to have one here in the shop, we're so excited to be doing it. Today, in today's vlog, we're going to show you how to take it apart. Taking apart some of these older cars is very, very difficult because some of the parts are dirt welded on. So we got to figure out what's there, how to get them off, how to not break things, find out what clips we're going to need to replace as we start taking this thing apart. So today, you're going to hang out with Anthony. He's going to take it apart and we'll show you guys everything we can. This video series, just to announce, it will be a video series. We'll be doing content all week this week showing you guys how this car gets wrapped, how we transform it, and we want you guys to be along for the ride. So what I need you guys to do is make sure you like this video right now, even if you don't like what you see so far, because what's going to happen is if you like the video right now, it's going to help you get the videos promoted to you as these videos release this week. That's how YouTube works now. So if you're liking videos, we'll start to pop up for you guys. A lot of you guys said, hey, where have you guys been? Because you're not liking the video. Like it, and I swear to God, we'll start popping up on your feed. We have a lot of cool things in store, as always, and I haven't mentioned this in months. At 300,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away a car wrap. I will literally, me, myself, my team, we'll get on a plane, we'll get in a car, we'll get on a train. Fella, I sound like Dr. Seuss. We'll come to you guys. I swear to God, guys, we'll go to you, we'll go wrap your car. At 300K, we're giving away a car wrap. It's one of the most exciting things we get to do throughout the year. So I know Hefe's excited about it. You haven't got to go on a little trip with us yet.
No, I haven't got to go yet. I don't know.
So we've done 2. Every 100,000, we've given away a car wrap. And for some reason, you're always too busy to go with me.
I'm sorry, man. I mean, I'm losing weight.
This time, I'm not going to allow him not to go. So at 300K, myself, my Hefe.
I'm your Hefe now.
We will come see you guys. So don't forget that, guys. At 300K, every 100,000 new subscribers, we give away a car wrap. But let's get in the shop. Let's get wrapping. What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna show you how to, why do I say smoke? It's yellow. What up, guys? Today we're gonna show you how to yellow out any fog light on any vehicle.
All right, so it's getting a little later in the day. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna move out the Porsche. They're gonna bring in the GTR over here, and Daniel's gonna work on the Porsche behind the GTR. But we gotta start disassembling the GTR because it's going to be the main focus because this is the series for the GTR. So let's pull in the GTR, and he's about to grab it right now, and we'll start disassembling it. Let's try again.
Okay, anyways, so I just got this R34 pulled in. We're gonna start ripping it apart. Alright guys, so this headlight was actually pretty easy to take apart. Once you have the bumper off, you're gonna have screws all around the headlight. So 1, 2, 3 on the side, 4, 5 screws, and it comes right out. Alright guys, we're gonna move on to the fender right here. As you guys know, it's a white car, so usually we like to take off the fenders.
It's a white car. I just missed you, bro. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
What happened?
Cause you're like, it's a white car.
This is my car. This is a green car.
Alright, this is a white car. As you guys know, this is, on white cars we like to take off the fender completely, but fortunately on this one we actually don't have to do that. I just gotta take apart, actually you just gotta take off 3 screws. One right there, there, and that one. So it gives them enough room to wrap back here. And then wrap the whole quarter panel and wrap back here.
After you clean.
Yes, after I clean that. It's pretty dirty. Come on, wait, you gotta at least clean it for us. Damn. Yeah, and then moving down to this little spat thing right here. I don't even know what it's called, but this piece right here. This right here.
This right here. This is a green car.
Yeah, it's an older car, so like they're not really holding on too well, so you kind of just pop them out like that. All
Just like
pressure
that.
clips. Ba-bam.
Bam. Look at these guys over here. We're messing up our freaking filming.
We're plotting over here, bro.
You guys aren't even working. You guys are just having a little bromance over there.
No. We're talking about our game plan here.
Yeah, and you guys should actually know this too. This car has a molded on wide body kit. Somebody took the time to have the GTR style kit put on. We're finding a little bit of issues with it. We've talked about it before. You see a little bit of cracking in the bodywork here. So we're gonna do everything we can. We're gonna do some sanding. I do need to let the owner know that it's not perfect, but like I said, it is a aftermarket kit. It's not 100% perfect. We're gonna do everything we can to make this vinyl stick. We are gonna be using a brand new film. It's a very, very high tack from what I'm told. So we have to prepare for kind of the worst. So now we're seeing little things in the bodywork that may become issues. So as this vlog progresses, you'll probably see some of the parts go off and maybe go off to the paint shop. So we are using a brand new film. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna tell you guys as best as I can. Inazitech, whatever it's called. We have no connection to the brand, so we're gonna give you our truest, most authentic reaction to the film. It's a brand new film to the market, but word is on the street that it...
You're not supposed to take this off?
Yeah.
No, leave him on, bro.
We just talked about that. This dude does not hear anything we say.
I was watching the background like, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good for the channel.
I explained to him for like 2 minutes.
The manufacturer asked us to keep the material rolled up until it's being used. So with that said, we wanted to keep these guys on there, and Anthony decided he wanted to remove them. This film, word is on the street. Word is on the film. Word is on the street that this film looks like paint 110%. It's the most glossiest film on the market. So I'm curious to see what it looks like.
Don't like about
First
the film.
impressions, bro. Is
First
what it is.
impression.
10
First
things I hate about this film, and we haven't even got started.
Wow. Yeah. All right. So what I don't like about it, right from the start, it's really, really staticky. So even when I take this off, we just get like a bunch of dirt down here, just like a bunch of dust. So when we wrap this car, we're probably gonna have to wet the floor. And then the second thing I don't like about it is, I forgot.
It's thick, bro. It's super
Well,
thick.
yeah.
It has this cap on it, which to me, it doesn't make sense. I'm trying to figure out why, because you usually have a cap so you can protect it during install, right? Because you don't want to scratch the material. But this material is really like, there's no way you're going to be able to install it that thick with the cap on the car. Like, you have to take the cap off before you install. It's really, really thick. So we remove the cap immediately. We basically cut the sheet. As we always do, we cut all the film off of the roll and then we start to install. But this time there's an extra step. We're gonna cut all the film off the car and we're gonna remove the cap. So the cap is almost useless. I'm not using that as a strike against the brand because maybe it's just a protection during shipping and all that. But it's almost impossible to cut the material and start wrapping with the cap on the car. And we haven't even started. We just know it's gonna be really difficult.
Okay, now I remembered. So the other thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't have any lines in the back, like guidelines. So if you see like in this material, you have the Avery, and you kind of just have an idea of which direction it goes. This one, you could lose the direction of it.
Oh crap, I mean, if it's fully directional, how do we even know? So that's another thing, is if the material's directional, how do we even know? That's gonna be one of those things that we should probably come up with a way of marking it, you know?
Arrows.
So when we install wrap, we always,
Can we even mark it if it's black on the back?
we're gonna have to put a piece of
That's
tape or
the
something
thing,
on
you
the
know?
back.
Yeah, so one thing that they probably should update on that is
Yeah.
try to get some type of backing to where it has like certain way of, you know, laying it down.
Did you guys show that it's clear? Like the backing?
You can't see that it's clear, but what it is...
Like if you peel a part of it. So
well,
you
right
can
now
see.
what it is the backing paper is... The back of the vinyl is actually black, and this clear that you're seeing is the backing paper to it.
Oh, it's so wide out, clear and clear.
Yeah, sorry, that was a bad example. Somebody else?
All right, so we have to keep these little stickers on this thing because every time we use the roll and when we cut off of it, we try to attempt to roll it back up. It doesn't stay. I want to show you what happens. The thing just wants to unroll itself. So that's different. You never really deal with that with other brands. This is something that we're just showing you guys because as you go through the roll, you're going to want to keep those little decals, those little Inazi Tech decals, because you're going to need to store the roll during the wrap process when you have your overage of film. So it's definitely important to keep those decals and keep them on. Day one is done. Got the car taken apart. The most important part about wrapping a vehicle is dismantling and prepping. So Anthony is still in there actually working on it, trying to get it fully ready for us tomorrow. I wanted to take you guys along for this day to really emphasize how important it is and show you how in depth we go with removal of all the hardware and all the parts. One of the topics I want to touch on real quick is I want to talk about this. There's a lot of influencers, there's a lot of YouTube, there's a lot of personalities you guys watch on camera, and I want you guys to understand that it's actually a really difficult thing to maintain, a lifestyle you have to build and kind of get ready for. And I think for us, one thing that I noticed is we filmed for so long. We did for us it felt like a long time. Having the whole crew on camera, two plus years, it got difficult, it got tiring. It became like a whole nother job to our business. So with that said, we did pump the brakes a tad bit. We wanted to kind of give everybody the chance to get kind of reacclimate, enjoy the holiday season a tad bit, and that's why we stopped vlogging just a little bit. But the reason why I'm telling you guys is I know a lot of you guys watch a lot of different creators online. You guys are fans of different people on YouTube. Go over there, make sure you show them some appreciation, because the content aspect of what they do and showing you guys and documenting things is not as easy as it sounds, you know. Having your cool car, having fun with it is one thing, and a lot of us get to enjoy that, but also adding the element of having a camera on you all day, filming, editing, all of that good stuff, it's not easy to do. So if you guys are asking where we've been, we were taking a quick break. We wanted to kind of get our heads right. You know, all of us were dealing with stress from just working. You know, we're literally throwing cameras on us while we work. You watch us work, and I'm so thankful for that. So thank you guys. I don't want to sound like I'm unappreciative of it, but it is one of those things where we wanted to kind of scale back a little bit, just work, get back in our rhythm, and I feel like we're here. The whole entire team is excited to be back on camera. Glad to have Hefe back, editing, filming, hanging out with us. So expect a lot of new stuff coming from us. It's exciting. 2020 is coming up. I want to kill it. I want to make it our best year in business. And every single year we've went up the ladder and up the ladder. In 2020, to me, I want to skip the line and I want to go to the top. So that's where we're going. We'll see you guys tomorrow.